My Archer and Olive Halloween haul has arrived. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. So I am about to dig into my Archer and Olive shopping haul. If I can find my one pair of gazillion scissors that I have. So I can open the box. I have this flipped on the bottom so that way you guys, I don't have to worry about hiding my address. You just can't see my address. All right, guys, this is what it looks like from the bottom. I got 2 journals. And my Halloween box. All right, for the sake of time, I went ahead and removed all of the packaging off of it, but I have not peeked inside. So I got 2 B5s, but they're different, very different. So this one is the B5 Raven and Book. It's 160 pages. Look at this box. It's so pretty. And then the spine of the box is, I could look at there. They have the Raven on there. Look how pretty it is. So pretty. And here we go. So this is more of a linen cover. So this isn't the leather. This is the linen. You can already see. I got the blackout journal. Looks like there's some of this might be flaking off. I see some little sparkles. So look at that. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. And it looks so pretty next to this blackout paper. I have never used a blackout journal before. And I was toying around with, do I get an A5 in the blackout or do I get the B5? And I'm like, you know what? Go big or go home. That's what I'm going to say. You can only get the blackout in B5 or A5 size, which is why I really wanted the 8x8 in this. Oh, if the 8x8 was blackout, that would have been amazing. But because I wanted blackout, I went with this. So you can see you have the little ribbon bookmarks. So everything's black. Love this for my blackout journal with the Raven and the books. This could be not for next year, but this could be a nice reading journal. Although doing something like a reading journal might be kind of hard to do blackout. It could be a challenge though. I mean, it could be, when I say a challenge, that was a good challenge word inflection. Because sometimes a challenge is nice. But I don't know. That might be a lot of work. Okay, let's take this one out now. Oh, so they are different. The Raven was on this one. And then this one has the eye because this one is the spell book. Now, I know a lot of people got the blackout in this one. I did not. Look at this. Because I was thinking this would be cool for a reading journal too, especially with the door and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a gothic vibe setup for my reading journal one year. Look how pretty. Now, this is the vegan leather, which is really just faux leather. I love how everybody says vegan leather. Makes it sound fancier. There we go. So pretty. Love it. And then this is white here. So I'm assuming if you got the, didn't get the black, if you got the black out here, I'm assuming this would have been black too. And there we go. Just regular dot grid. Again, we have the black ribbon bookmark. There we go. So the price difference between a B5 and an A5 is $3. So that also is the reason why I went ahead and went with the B5. I know that in the spell book, you could have also got letter size. If that was something that you were interested in. And I believe they came, this one did not come in 8x8, but the Raven and the Ghost did come at 8x8. So the only one I did not get was the Ghost. But there we go. I don't think I'm going to be using these this year. I'm not sure if they're going to be in my lineup for next year. But the way my bullet journaling has been going, I just randomly come up with ideas and then start using them. Now, this is the Halloween box. So, here we go, y'all. I love how everything is packaged. It's going to make me want to keep everything. And this is another reason why I did not get the A5 because I knew an A5 was coming in this box. So this box, I think, was $79, but because it's not a subscription box, I was able to use my discount code on it. So I do have a discount code. It's AGWP, which will save you 10% on everything but subscription boxes, mystery boxes, and what else? Some clearance. Sometimes you can use it on things, and I'm surprised, but most time clearance you can't use it on. Sale items you usually can, but clearance you can't. All right, let me remove the plastic from this too. All right, guys. Packaging has been removed. I need to find my cover for that. Probably on the floor. All right. So we will open up the notebook last because you might have seen that. They showed a lot of photos. Let's do stickers and tape first. There we go. Now, I think these are glow-in-the-dark stickers. Yeah, glow-in-the-dark sticker set. So these glow in the dark. So they're identical. How cool is that? I can see some of the like texture on it. I'm assuming that's what glows in the dark. So you get 2 sets of this, or 2 sheets of this. I'll just keep it out. Now this is going to be, I believe, glow in the dark washi, which I'm not sure when I ever actually see it glow in the dark, because whenever I have my planner open, I'm actually like the lights are going to be on, but it's cool nonetheless. That's like the important part is like, what does it look like when it's not glow in the dark? To me, the whole glow in the dark thing was a little bit gimmicky, but this is really, really pretty. You can see it's like the phases of the moon, a red moon. So that is one washi tape. See, I'll be using this. I really could care less if it's glow in the dark. Okay. This is pretty. So this, yeah, I can feel the texture on it. I guess that, like I said, that makes it the glow in the dark. So it's like a spooky house with, again, your red moon and some bats. Definitely a theme. Definitely a theme. You can see the theme, the red moon and the bats. And then the candles. This is really, really cool. I'm like trying to sit here and think about all the ways I can use these. And I need to remember this. I have so much washi that I forget about it. And this is like tree branches. This is really, really cool too, though. This is like really, this could be used in so many different ways. Okay. I don't know if it sticks back on each other very well, because it seems like where I unraveled it, it won't stick back down. I hope it sticks well on paper. I guess we'll find out. All right. Let's try it. Yeah, it sticks well on paper. It just won't stick back onto itself. So know that in advance when you're rolling it out. It doesn't seem to stick back well on itself once you unravel it. Okay. All right. What is this? Oh, okay. When it said notebook, I'm like, what? So this is one of the fancy notepads. I've never gotten a fancy notepad from Archer and Olive. Like, I've gotten some like little notepads that have like the cover on it, but like, look, this is like a fancy notepad, y'all. It has like the little screw like that connects it, and like the leather, the faux leather backing. This is really, really pretty. I honestly wish this was a little bit bigger, because I don't know that I'm going to use this as a notepad. With this colored paper, I think this will be really cool to add some blackout elements, some burgundy elements, some gray elements to my journal. So I think I'm going to be using this more as like scrapbook paper to put in my journal versus for like paper use, if that makes any sense. But again, look at the fancy box that came in. So you got 80 dot grid sheets, and it's 3 colors. Huh. I was just sitting there thinking, I guess it looks like maybe gray. You might get more gray than you get black and burgundy. That's what it looks like. But that's a really, really pretty. I really like this. Like, I'm excited about this. I'm excited about everything so far. The stickers, give or take, I don't really care about that. I mean, they're cool. I'll probably have to use them in my, I think these would be cool in my blackout journal just because of the black border, which is what I was thinking too. I'm like, am I going to have to use a lot of my own stickers in the blackout journal because of the, you know, I can do like a black offset to make a border versus a white offset. And then here we go, y'all, a calligraphy set. Now I do have calligraphy pens and some like workbooks and stuff like that. So I plan to like figure out how to do calligraphy. But then we have the different like nibs. I don't know how you do this. I got to figure this out. I'm gonna have to watch like a tutorial. But I'm assuming like you just put this on somehow. Oh, here. It's here, y'all. Can we edit that out? Oh, brother. So yeah, there we go. Yeah. All right. And then we have soot black, glow in the dark, and blood moon red. So this could be fun to play with. I'm always up for playing with new things now that I'll figure out how to use it. Yeah, you can see I really did not know how to use it. So yeah, that could be fun. This was probably one of the things I was least excited about, but then like I was like pricing calligraphy sets and I'm like putting it in the box is not a bad idea. And I can always like sell it or give it away if I really don't think I'm gonna use it. Now this is the reason why I got the box. Yes, I paid that much for the box for this. Isn't this gorgeous, y'all? Oh my gosh, with the bats and everything, it's very Halloweenish or very spooky. But it's just, oh, this is like the most gorgeous book I've ever seen. Again, this is faux leather. It has some like debossing or embossing, debossing, I don't know. So you have like texture here. And then you have the red moon with the reflection and then your bats. And there we go with the phases of the moon, similar to this. I kind of wish this was like that bright. And then we have some more of the branches. And then we have the bats on the back. Look how gorgeous this is. Like this, oh my gosh. Now this I would have loved. Look at that. And a blackout too. Like I would have loved this. If this was in the box as a blackout, I would have gotten just regular. I would have gotten an 8x8 and the other one in just white paper and got this in a blackout because this is just stunning. So pretty. Now I love Halloween, but like I'm not big on buying like a lot of Halloween stuff. Like I would have never thought I was going to buy a Halloween journal. Like when they were talking about, everybody's like, oh, when is the Halloween release? When is the Halloween release? I'm like, whatever. And then I saw it and I bought like 3 things. Like I bought enough to get free shipping. I mean, and that says a lot. So I just couldn't say no. This, I was so back and forth with this journal. I mean, with this box. But then, you know, if I got it, then I did get free shipping. So I took $10 off the price of the box to kind of do it. But yeah, and I do like this box better than the pull-out boxes. I like the boxes where you take the top off versus the pull-out. So yeah. All right, so this is my box. So I got my A5 notebook, dot grid, and that beautiful moon. I got the A6 notepad, which was also very luxurious. I got a calligraphy set, which I believe a lot of people probably are super excited about it. And you know, at first I was up in the air and I'm like, oh, if I don't want it, I could sell it. But I've been like, I got like so into stamping and stuff like that recently that I can see me getting into something like calligraphy once I just take time to learn it. So I might try, that might be like a goal of mine for like the end of the year, early next year when things are a little bit slower. I hope. I don't know if it will be or not. And then we have the stickers. And then I got my 2 journals. I got the spell book and then the Raven book. The Raven was in blackout. The spell book was in just regular white paper, but they're both B5. So that is my Archer and Olive unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you picked anything up or if you're still thinking about it. I do believe the Halloween box set is gone. That is sold out. That is not a surprise. I don't think they last very long, like every year I think they sell out. I do believe there is a good number of journals still available. The blackout may be a little bit more, I don't know, but I know people have been all talking about the blackouts and getting blackouts, and I'm surprised because it seems like a lot of people are going for the B5s. So it does seem like people are going bigger and bigger. I don't know if you guys have, like, if you guys are A5 people and now you're going bigger, it seems like a lot of people are going for the bigger options. So yeah. There we go. Like I said, if there's anything still available, I will have a link down in my description box, which is an affiliate link for Archer and Olive, and you can use my discount code to save 10%. If you are a new to Archer and Olive, you can try discount code welcome25 to see if you can save 25% off, but please consider using my affiliate link. That way I will still get credit even though you're not using my actual discount code. All right, guys, that is all I have for now. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please press that like button, and if you have yet to subscribe, I hope you will consider subscribing. That is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.